Hey guys, welcome to SHEVA.NYC. So today's question is coming from a curly hair person who blows their hair out straight, and they want to know why the hair doesn't have uniform curls after you've blown your hair out straight. Well, in my opinion, that is the number one reason that hair will not curl uniformly after you've blown your hair for years. What happens when you blow the hair, you're making the hair go through a physical change, which changes how the hair pattern is once the heat is put on it. So once you rinse the hair again or you shampoo, yes, the hair reverts back, but you've done so much stretching and pulling and applying heat, you're putting the hair in a demi-permanent state. So those ends that you've stretched, and those ends are the hair that's been on your head the longest, so that's your old hair. And what happens to the old hair? The old hair is compromised more than the new hair. The new hair at the roots is that brand new hair coming out of the hair follicle. So that hasn't really been compromised yet, or sometimes destroyed like the ends of the hair can be. So in order to get that uniform hair curl pattern to happen again, you're going to have to either stop blow drying the hair and slowly start to trim those ends so you can get that weakened hair that you've blown out to be more of your natural curl pattern. So that will take some time. If you're just trimming a 4 to 1/2 inch per month, the hair grows 6 inches per year. So if you have 6 inches of stringy curls and you wanted to take that off, then yes, it would take a year to get all of that off. You can use products that will enhance the curl pattern, but it still will have different patterns at the new hair, the middle hair, and the end hair. So, just think about that the next time you blow out your hair if you're wanting to go back and forth between curly hair and straight hair. Hopefully that helps. You can find out what we're doing on our website at www.SHEVA.NYC. See you there.